First, we're going to have Alexander Banzon is going to go first to dazzle us with his physics project.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for changing up a little. Got to be a little bit different, as physics guys. Always have to do a little something crazy. To be honest, not 100% that this is gonna work because if it's green, it'll be biology. If something burns, it'll be chemistry. But if it doesn't work, it's physics. And this is what I'm here to do. I'm here to teach you how an automated time interval for an air track works. I built this myself with the little switches and AND gates. I'll show you a little logic here and there. The whole basic purpose of it is to alleviate human error by usually we use an air track to calculate G, gravity, which is 9.81. But with a little human error, it could always change. Now, when I'm talking about human error, meaning you let go of the air track and a person would only use a stopwatch. So as soon as you let go and as soon as it hits the end. And as always, you're always going to have a little human error. By using a little electronic logic, using AND gates and using a counter, you'll be able to definitely stop the time perfectly, and all you have to do is you change it by using different frequencies and it works out. What I'll do is I'll write down on the board on how everything really works, and then I'll just show you a little experiment on how I did it. So basically what I have here, you start off with a power supply, starts with 15 volts, then it goes to 2 resistors. It's a power reducer resistor, you run it in parallel because the little D shape with a AND in it, it's called an AND gate, that only runs with positive 5. It has to be positive 5 to make it work. Now having the 2 switches, one's a momentary and one's a latching switch, what it does, 15 volts is running through it and it won't work. By having one of the switches, it closes it up, turns it to 0, and the clock starts going, goes to the counter, and then once the second switch latches, it turns off, and that's how you get your time. So what I'll do is I'll do a little demonstration, I'll show you how everything works. Like I said, basically, you let go of this, someone has to hit the stopwatch, and then someone has to turn it off. But by using a counter, all you have to do is just let it go, latches at the end, and the time stops. So that's basically it, and thank God it worked this time. Thank you.